What's up, my roses? I'm gonna go into a live event. It is today. I think there's like 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go in it right now. Doing homework at the same time, sadly. So let's hope no one has a mic, though. That's one thing I hope. But this is gonna be pretty cool. I think this is gonna be my second live event. Oh no, we'll see what's gonna happen. Let's see if my friend's on. Oh, they ain't on. So, if some people do have a mic, I'm just gonna like go on an Xbox party. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go up here a bit. Oh, I should have changed my skin to Iron Man. Okay, that's what I gotta do. I'm sorry. I gotta do this. Okay, so I'm not like a pro at Fortnite, so like I know there's gonna be a bit of fighting at the first start where we all fight and wait for their thing. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a couple seconds. No, I'll just have it like that. That's good. Okay. So first, should I do that? Start skin. Well, I'm gonna do start because he's like the best person in the game, so I'm gonna wear him. Let's find his back bling. We're gonna use his pickaxe. I'm not like one of those people that just do those combos. Like I don't care. Okay. Oh, we don't got. No, we do have its glider. Okay, I thought I didn't have his glider for a second. Okay, let's go. This is scary. Okay. So we can't go any other thing. I wanted to practice a bit before, so you guys don't think I suck at the game. So the screen is pretty cool though. It's pretty cool. God, shut up. So I'm probably gonna suck at the game. Don't be rude. But like this is 30 minutes. I hope. Dang it. I hope YouTube. Oh, I gotta leave real quick. Oh no, I have a teammate. I thought I didn't have. What the heck? Oh, I know. Okay, danger. Like everyone was leaking about this.
Oh, this is time. What the hell? Where are we?
Okay,
Can I go now?
Yeah, I'm gonna go on an Xbox party. That kid's really annoying. Oh my gosh, imagine if that kid's watching. If you guys miss out the live event, you can watch this. Which is good, so people don't miss out. So there's no one's gonna be talking now, cause that kid was like, okay, no, they were just like loud for some reason. But I want to hear like the full theme, so I don't want to like be rude. I just want to turn it down. Wait, is that new? Oh no, that's always been there. Dang! That's pretty cool though. Okay, I'm gonna do homework a bit. So, just like this is the whole map right now. The whole map is just like we're all gonna die. This live event is gonna be so cool. Dang, his head's pretty big though. Got a big chunky head. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna move around. I'm gonna move around. I'm gonna move around. At least that Okay. I don't feel like this season was out for so long. Comment down below how long this season was out, because I don't even remember. Oh my freaking god. It's okay. Dang it. I'm gonna have to leave my computer open. It's gonna die for the 30-minute event. Oh, okay, frick. Okay,